Alright, Speed Nation. I'm out here 5 hours away, right in the middle of nowhere. Gonna check out a Charger Redeye 2021. This place I'm at has two of them. I'll show it to you in a second. But the goal is, well, not the goal, the plan is to at least leave out there with one, right? So we're gonna see how that go. And I got, there it is, so look, y'all, this is where we at right now. 2 hours in, 2.5, something like that. They're about to pull it out.
That booster seat. Got it. Close.
right, y'all. So look, y'all see it behind me, y'all. 2020 Hellcat wide body, right here. Going from that to the 2021 Hellcat wide body Redeye. Huh? You see it? Done deal. Right? Thanks a lot to Nick. Y'all see Nick right here?
How y'all doing?
Thanks a lot to Nick. Hey, he will hook you up.
Portland Walker Dodge.
That's right. Ask for Nick. He will take care of you. Make sure you get that.
Yes, sir.
Like, share, comment, subscribe. I got y'all. Final gas up. All right. See it right here. Look. Right up. Done deal. What's up, Speed Nation? Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 2. Got the Hellcat Charger wide body Redeye, right? We getting the first mod done. Window tint. Tired of fishbowling. I really need to get a chance to do a quick walk around of the car yet. So I really didn't get a chance to let you guys see the car since I bought it. And it's only day 2 and it's kind of dirty because I had like a 350-mile drive. I didn't wash the car yet. The weather's kind of nice out. I may wash it, I don't know. But I am getting the windows tinted right now. That's where I am. I'm in here by myself, so mask right here, social distance. So once the car come out, I'll video that so you can see how that window tint look on the car. And stay tuned for more videos coming. I got a lot of stuff coming with this car, a lot of stuff, a lot of plans. Follow this build, y'all. It's gonna be a pretty epic build. Just stay tuned. Make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified when I upload these videos. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, it's kind of noisy out, but quick walk around. Got the windows tinted. That's the car, that's the ceramic tint, y'all. That's the good stuff. Looks pretty good. So for those of you that's wondering, I went 20% in the back and I did regular 30% on the sides. You know, I don't like, cops look for a reason to pull you over, and I'm trying not to give them a reason. That's not the only thing. It's at night I don't see good, so I don't want my windows too dark because that just makes it worse when I'm driving. So it's kind of for me too, so I can see. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'm about to get out of here. So there it is. I just installed the Lux tinting kit for the tail lights and SRT and the Hellcat overlay in the rear of the vehicle, and that is reflective. That's the one side. Now I have to do the other side. Also, right here is my rear diffuser from KMG Wraps. I'll be installing that as well. Stay tuned. All right, so check out the finished product on the rear diffuser, the tail light tint, and the SRT Hellcat overlay. It's cold outside, so I did a lot of this stuff in the garage.
Still haven't done a walk around the car yet. But comment down below. Let me know what you think about these mods. Okay? I'm liking it. I'm digging it. I think it looks real good so far. Let me know what you think. These mods, once again, is real easy to do. Do it yourself. Save some money. Save some money. Do it yourself. Get some more angles of this. Stay tuned. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.